how much should you spend on a carpet cleaner? Because here's the thing, cheap ones leave stains behind, and expensive ones sometimes aren't worth the hype. I've seen people buy budget models that quit after 2 uses, and others drop hundreds only to return them. The real answer isn't about price, it's about matching the right machine to your mess.
Product number 1, Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe. This Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe is one of the most recognizable portable carpet cleaners out there. And for good reason. It's lightweight at under 10 pounds, comes in a sleek gray and blue design, and is built specifically for pet owners. If you want a reliable, no-fuss machine that tackles pet accidents, spills, and everyday stains without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses powerful suction combined with a dual tank system, one for clean water and one for dirty, so you're never reapplying grime. The 48-ounce tank means fewer refills, and it comes with 3 specialized tools: a 3-inch tough stain tool, a stain trapper that keeps messes from spreading, and a self-cleaning hose. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, which helps rescue homeless pets, a nice bonus if you're an animal lover. It's also versatile. Works on carpets, car seats, stairs, and upholstery. Now, some people complained about the hose occasionally leaking if overfilled or not stored properly. Here's the thing though, that's avoidable with careful use. And honestly, it's a minor issue compared to how well it performs on pet stains. The included 8-ounce formulas are trial sizes, so you'll need to buy more later, but they work great on the first try. This is perfect for you if you have pets, kids, or frequent small messes and want something portable and easy to store. Skip this one if you need deep cleaning on large carpeted areas. It's not meant for whole room shampooing. Still, for spot cleaning, it's one of the best values out there. Product number 2, Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam. Now, if the regular Little Green felt a bit basic, the Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam takes it up a notch with actual steam cleaning. It's a bit heavier at 13 pounds and has a more industrial look with black and copper accents, but it brings serious cleaning power. If you want deeper sanitization and better results on oily or set-in stains, this is the upgraded version you've been looking for. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Hydro Steam technology combines heated water, steam, and oxygenated formula to break down grease and grime that regular cleaners miss. It has 3 cleaning modes: steam wash for heavy messes, steam for refreshing surfaces, and wash for enzyme-based stains like urine. The 64-ounce clean tank is huge, and it dries upholstery in about 30 minutes thanks to strong suction. It even includes a multi-surface tool for tile, grout, and sneakers, something most portable cleaners don't offer. Now, some users said it can be a bit loud when running in steam mode, and the hose is shorter than expected, making it harder to reach tight spaces. Here's the thing though, the cleaning performance outweighs the noise, and the 5-inch tough stain tool compensates for reach. Also, the included Pet Pro Oxy formula with Stain Protect is one of the strongest on the market. This is perfect for you if you deal with oily stains, want faster drying, or clean multiple surface types. Skip this one if you only need occasional light cleaning. It's overkill for small spills. But for deep, multi-surface cleaning, it's a standout.
Product number 3, LQ-HUE 18 kPa Portable Cleaner. All right, that was a solid Bissell option. But if you're looking for raw suction power at a budget price, the LQ-HUE 500-watt cleaner delivers. Priced around $72, it's one of the most affordable on this list, yet it packs 18 kPa of suction, stronger than many pricier models. If you want maximum cleaning force without spending over $100, this is a serious contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 500-watt motor pulls out deep-set stains, like mud, wine, and pet accidents with ease. It has dual tanks, 1.2-liter clean and 0.75 dirty, and comes with 2 brush heads for different surfaces. The 5.57-foot hose and 17-foot power cord give you real mobility, and the whole thing weighs under 10 pounds. It's designed for spot cleaning on sofas, car seats, and stairs, not full carpets, which actually saves water and protects fabric. Now, some buyers mentioned the build feels a bit plasticky and the instructions aren't the clearest, especially around tank maintenance. Here's the thing though, for the price, the performance is impressive, and the 7x24 customer service helps if you get stuck. Just don't overfill the dirty tank or suction drops. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want strong suction and portability. Skip this one if you want premium materials or brand name reliability. But for pure function, it's hard to beat.
Product number 4, Hoover Power Dash Pet Advanced. Now, if you're tired of portable spot cleaners and want something that handles larger areas, the Hoover Power Dash Pet Advanced is a compact upright that punches above its size. At 16 pounds and standing over 3.5 feet tall, it looks like a mini vacuum but cleans like a full-size machine. If you want to clean entire rooms quickly without lugging a heavy unit, this is a smart middle ground. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses heat force technology to speed up drying, so your carpets are dry in under an hour. The Power Spin brush roll scrubs deep while resisting pet hair tangles, and it comes with tools for stairs and upholstery. It's lightweight, easy to store, and includes a sample of Hoover's cleaning solution. Just pair it with their pet or everyday formula for best results. Now, some users said the tank capacity is smaller than expected, so you'll refill more often on big jobs. Here's the thing though, that's the trade-off for its compact size. It's not meant to replace a full-size cleaner, but for apartments or quick refreshes, it's ideal. This is perfect for you if you have medium-sized spaces and want faster drying with upright convenience. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty deep cleaning or have mostly hard floors. But for pet owners with carpets, it's a solid daily driver. Product number 5, Niculate C3 Portable Cleaner. Finally, if you want a balance of power, ease of use, and smart design, the Niculate C3 stands out. At just 8.4 pounds and with a sleek charcoal black body, it's one of the most compact and well-organized machines here. If you value hassle-free maintenance and versatile cleaning in a small package, this one's a hidden gem. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a 450-watt motor with 15 kPa suction, strong enough for deep stains, but quieter than the LQ-HUE. The self-cleaning hose and removable brush head make post-cleanup effortless. And the dual tanks, 1050 milliliters clean, 500 milliliters dirty, are easy to fill and empty. The 5-meter cord and 1.6-meter hose give great reach, and everything stores neatly on the unit, perfect for small homes. Now, some people wished the dirty tank was larger. It fills up fast on big messes. Here's the thing though, the convenience and cleaning power make up for it, and the included T-shaped brush is great for corners and stairs. This is perfect for you if you want a low-maintenance, portable cleaner that doesn't take up space. Skip this one if you clean large areas daily. But for spot cleaning with style, it's a winner. So which one should you get? The Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe is the best all around for pet owners. The Hydro Steam adds steam power for tougher jobs. The LQ-HUE delivers the most suction per dollar. The Hoover Power Dash is ideal for whole room cleaning in small spaces. And the Niculate C3 wins for smart design and ease of use. No single machine is perfect, but one of these is definitely right for your home.